Okay. So first we are doing revision, as I said. So yesterday we have seen this much conversation between a father and a daughter. Okay, they were discussing about multiples and factors. Okay, where this lift stopped. So it stopped means he noticed it stops on second floor, sixth, eighth, and 10th floor. Then she also replied, you can see. Even she said, okay, we have learned about multiples and these are the number which are multiple of 2. Then again you can see her father, what he said. He said about factors, which we have learned, but he has not learned in the school. So you remember, no, factors in the last chapter, we draw a factor tree and at last we were getting the factors. Or forgot factor trees. Remember factor tree, which
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
learned
Yes,
in last.
ma'am.
So the same thing her father is also saying to her, but
एक्सक्यूज
she
मी
is
मैम.
replying के बोलो.
हाँ मैम, मैं मैकेनिक फातिमा. मैंने मेरे पापा में देखा, आपने अभी तक मेरा पेपर नहीं देखा. कल का पेपर, नेक्स्ट का
पेपर तो
पेपर.
मैंने किसी का भी नहीं खोला है. You can ask to other girls also. Other girls, did you check that I have opened or
आपने मेरा
Not
भी
open.
exactly? I have not opened because whenever I open now, then I forgot okay, how who has sent me because I get so many messages from so many students in
हाँ
afternoon
तो मैम,
also.
आप मैम मैंने है ना फेसबुक आपको भेज दिया है.
Okay, I will see. Whenever I will be free, I will open all the chats because I have not opened anyone's message.
ओके डन.
बोलो और कुछ. Now shall I continue, no? Or you
यस.
want to say anything? So this we have seen yesterday. Then she said, okay, we have not learned this factors at school. So now we will see how she will learn about that at school. So this example also we have discussed yesterday.
यस मैम.
To find the total, how can we use this? So you can see that how many groups are there in each, how many are there. So the same three are there in each group. तीन के group है. And total 10 groups are there. Then I have explained you this one if you remember. That example I have shown you, that 10 groups were there, three in each group.
3 tens are 30.
Hmm. So this 3, 6, 9, 12 means first group so 3, first two groups so 6, three groups so 9, four groups of 3, then how many? Four groups of 3, 3. Four groups
12,
of 12. Five groups of 3.
15. 15.
Six group of 3.
18.
18.
Seven groups of 3.
21.
1.
Eight groups of 3.
24.
Nine
24.
groups of 3.
27.
27.
And 10 groups of 3.
30.
30.
30 exactly. So you will get these numbers as a product, right? So here the same thing is given with the number 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30 at the product means result, product or result of 3 with another number. Means when you multiply this 3 with other number, no, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as a result, means as a product, you got this number 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So we can say that as a product or as a result, we got this number. So these are the multiples of which number? 3. Why? Because 3 is common, you can see. So understood this one?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next proper definition is given. Okay, when you multiply original number with other number. Original number, like if you will see the table of 5. So everywhere 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 is common. And then when you multiply 5 with 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, you will get some result, product, which are multiples of 5. So the same definition is given. Multiples of a number are those number that are product, means result which we get at last, of original number with another number. Original number, you can see here example of 3 is given. This is original number, and when you multiply this original number with 1 to 10, which is another number, you will get a product which is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So these are multiples of 3. Then we will see even that notes also, which I am going to send you tomorrow, because today is your last paper, so tomorrow I will send that. And these examples also I guess we have discussed. In this one box you can see 4 are there. So how can we present that in a multiplication format?
Okay.
4 ones are 4, that way we can.
Ma'am has left.
Ma'am is left now.
Ma'am is left.
Ma'am is gone.
So after I complete the revision, please ask me doubt if you have. Okay.
Okay.
So the same definition means in some easy words, in some easy way. I have given the notes, but that definition was also easy only. Okay, when you multiply the original number with another number, like the table of 3 was given. So in that 3 was the original number, and 1 to 10 means ones are, twos are, tens are, that are another number. So when you multiply original number with another number, so as a result what you get, no, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, that are multiples of 3. Now here some examples are given. First example was given that box, in that few objects were there which are 4 only. Then here milky biscuit packet is given, and in that 5 biscuits are there. Then how can we present that in a multiplication format? So 5 ones are 5, that way. This we have discussed yesterday, that's why I'm not asking you the any questions or something.
Yeah, 5 on the 5.
Hmm. Then here the example of mango. So one dish is not given, not a box. In that box was given, here dish is given.
I'll
So
do 6.
one dish and 6 mangoes. So 6 ones are 6. Then you can see it's cropped, no, the video is cropped, so maybe it's not visible from down. But here two boxes are given. One is here this way. It's not clearly visible, but it is there. This is second one. So in each 4 are there, सब में 4 4 है. और 2 बॉक्स है, that's why 2, and total so 8.
4 twos are 8.
Now here that Milky Biscuit example is given. So 3 boxes are there, and in each you can see same are there. And even we have discussed before also, okay, whenever we count, find the total of anything. So whenever in like different groups are given, like boxes are given, groups are given, three boxes are there, means 3 groups are there. But in each, if same are there, no, then only we can use multiplication. सब में एक जितने हो, means in each box if same are there, no, 5 5 5 6 6 6, then only we can multiply, we can show in multiplication format, otherwise we cannot show. So here in each box you can see 5 5 5 are there,
3
that's why we
fives are
can
50.
3 5s or 5 3s are both are same. Whether you can first write 3 for the boxes, okay, by 3 boxes are there, or in each box 5 biscuits are there, so 5. Whether you can write 5 3s or 3 5s, both are same. So it's 5 3s are 15. Then the dishes are given, it's also not clearly visible as video is cropped from down. So 4 dishes are there, and in each 6 mangoes are there. So when we show that in a multiplication format, so whether you can write 6 4s or 4 6s. So let me
44.
write 6 4. So now I'm saying the name, next name, that student will tell me कि 6 is for what and 4 is for what. Like बिस्किट वाले में था ना कि 3 जो है 3 boxes थे इसलिए 3, अब 5 बिस्किट थे इसलिए 5. तो यहाँ पे 6 क्या है और 4 क्या है. So I'm saying the next name. Yesterday I guess 60 roll number, so 61 Maria. Maria, are you present?
मैम
हाँ, तो will you say कि 6 क्या है और 4 क्या है. मैंने क्यों 4 लिखा है.
6 एक एक प्लेट में मैंगो है, 4 प्लेट्स है.
Exactly. You can see 4 plates or dishes are there and 6. So in each dish or in each plate, 6 mangoes are there. Very good, Maria. So 6 fours are 24. Now in that I said, no, okay, one notes I will give you. In that some fact or properties are given. I'm showing for the first that. So I said, okay, here definition is given in this one, which you have to write. In starting of every chapter, I'm giving you notes. So same way here also,
Okay. Please send.
definition is given. I said tomorrow I will send textbook also and notes also, because today is your last paper. So during the exam I cannot give you homework, but tomorrow PDF of textbook also and this also, so that you can copy this. So definition is also given, which I have already explained you. Okay, as a result, when we get something, like when you multiply 2 by different numbers, so as a
मैम
result, whatever you will get that.
का नहीं है ना.
नहीं, अभी नहीं लिखने का है. I said no, I will send tomorrow. Because I was first planning to send today only, because today you have easy paper only. But then also I thought that today is the last paper, so let me send tomorrow only. And these are the points to remember, which are given in the starting of the any chapters, in the textbook also and my notes also. So few I have explained you in that video. So few properties I will explain you from this PDF. Okay, so few which are given in that I'm explaining from that only, but few others I'm explaining from this PDF. And if you know in FA2 exam, in FB 2 to 3 where I have asked from notes. FB जो आप पूछी थी ना FA2 के एग्जाम में, उसमें
Yes.
से So 2, 3 FB I have asked from notes only. If you have observed, right? What do you remember? Which kind of questions I have asked in FB from notes, or don't remember? It means you forgot, huh? After submitting the paper. What was the question? In MCQ, I'm not asked from the notes. In that, I've tried to give you some basic sums only.
In
But
the
in
exam,
FB,
what
fill in
was
the
the
blanks.
question of MCQ? I think so. It was
Huh.
of one teacher and
Your voice is breaking, huh, Fatim?
what?
Your voice is breaking.
Now it is breaking.
Now it's clear.
Okay. So that we solve that you are saying that what sum you had given.
It was exactly how it is given in the exercise. 4A, 4B, and then 3B, 3C. Same, how it is given in the question paper means in the textbook, the same way it was given in the question paper. But only MCQ and FB were not given to you in the textbook. But
FP is also
as it FBs were also easy. I said, okay, I have asked from notes. Few I have asked from notes, which I have explained also to you. So that's
in
why every
FA1
time
also
I
your paper
explain.
was so
Uh,
in
uh,
FA1 also your paper was so easy and FA2 also.
hmm. So that's why I always explain you some notes because when you will in higher standard no in that also they will ask some theory means जो ये जो notes में जो लिखा होती है ना उसको theory बोलते हैं तुम जब बड़े हो जाओगे तब पता चलेगा that is called theory and these are the practical sums. So when you will be in higher standard no in that also some theory questions will be asked to you. That's why I always ask from notes. Some questions, some FB. This time only 2 to 3 FB I have asked from notes. So I'm explaining now notes means some theories of this. So first one I have explained, now this is the second one. Okay, every number is the smallest multiple of itself. So let's make a list of multiples of 4. So I'm saying the next name after Maria. 62, Anisha.
Yes, ma'am.
So Anisha, will you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you make a list of multiples of 4? Just 4.
4 1s are
Just now I have shown you the example. No? 4 ones are 4.
4
4
2s are
then
8. 4 3s are 12.
हाँ
4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4
okay enough.
8s are 32.
These many examples are enough. हाँ. So right now you can see we make the list of multiples of 4. Now we'll make a list of some other number also. So now next name after 62, Anisha. 63, Nayani, Tanzim is present. 64, Virani Rifat. 65, Sheikh Yasmin. Okay, again from roll number 1. Ifat, then
Absent.
roll number 2, Alwani Zainab. Roll number 3, Suhana. And roll Suhana is
Alwan is
present.
Zainab
Absent.
present. 11. Sorry. Alwan is Zainab is present.
She is roll
Yes,
number 2.
ma'am. Alvani Zainab is present.
Yes, so Alwani Zainab, now we are making list of other number also, which is 5. Okay, so you have to tell me about multiples of 5. Have Anisha said no about multiples of 4? If you know the table, at last what we get now as a result. That are the multiples. So tell me for the 5 or say the table so that I can write. Alwani Zainab.
She is not answering, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so
For my
next roll number 3. Suhana, I guess she is absent. Then roll number
Yes.
4, Bahjaj Fatima. Are you present?
Absent.
Okay. Roll number 5, Baloch Miza. Then
Present.
6. So Miza, you
ના
can
મીન્સ
tell me now.
પ્રેઝન્ટ નથી એ વોશરૂમમાં ગઈ છે.
Okay, no problem. Then roll number 6, Bhimani Kulsum.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you say the table of 5 and multiples of
5
5?
and 5.
Hmm.
5 and
So what should
5
I
is
write here after 5? Next
10,
multiple of 5. 10. Yes. Then
15.
15. Then
20.
yes. Then after 20, next multiple.
25.
Yes, 25. Now one more,
30.
30. So this way you can make a list of so many numbers. This way we have make a list of 2, 4 and 5, multiples of 4 and multiples of 5. That way you can make more list also in the rough book, and then you can observe a first one which is the smallest multiple. You can see other numbers are greater, other all the numbers, and the smallest is here 4 and here 5, which I have circled. You can observe. So which is every
Yes, ma'am.
number is the smallest multiple of itself. Means if we are making a list of 4 multiples of 4, then 4 means itself is the smallest multiple. Here also in 5, 5 which is itself the smallest one. Okay, understood this fact? Means points to remember.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
the smallest one is itself only. If you will see all the multiples 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, then other numbers are greater than that. But the smallest one, which is 4 and here 5, the smallest, are itself only. Understood this one?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now first I'm showing that one also. Notes. And textbook also how it is given. Then I'm showing my notes. So now I guess last roll number 6. Ne? Now roll number 7, Bhimani Sakina is present. Then 8, Bhojani Fatima. Then 9, Bhojani Inchia.
Yes, ma'am.
Inchia, you can just read this much.
Okay, ma'am. The number 6, 12. The number 6, 12, 80, 24, 30 are the multiple of 6. We find the multiple of a number by multiply it, it by 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on.
So here you can see upside in the clouds, they have shown some multiplication. 1 6 so as a result, as a product, what you will get 6. Then when you will multiply 6 with 2, what you will get?
12,
12. Then when you will multiply 6 with 3, what you will get? Then 6 with 4, what you
24,
will get? 24. Then 6 with 5,
30.
30. So these are the result, means product, which you will get at last when you will multiply 6 no with 1 2 3 4 or so on. So same thing is given here. Okay, the number 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 means you which you got no at last after multiplying as a result or as a product. So are the multiples of 6. I said no, as a result, what you get no, that are the multiples. But of which number? Which is the common? 666. So ये 6 के multiples है. Then we find the multiples of number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So here so on means again you can continue the same way with other number. Okay, here you can see this symbol also. It means it has endless multiples. Okay, there is not end of the multiples. It has endless. If you will make a list of multiples of 4, if you will make a list of multiples of 6, if you will continuously multiply that 6 or 4 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, even after 10 also, with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so you will get more multiples. Means it's endless. Understood meaning of so on?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Then the next topic is common multiples, which is given in the textbook. So first I'm explaining from the textbook and then from my notes. So now after Bozan Inshia, roll number 10, Bodewala Mariam. Mariam, you can just read this much. Are you reading Mariam or shall I say to the next one?
Mariam is
You just
not
have
there.
to you just have to read this list.
Mariam is
Okay,
not
then
there.
okay. Then Irina 11. 12 Dereya Khadija. 13 Dereya Muntasir. 14 Gabrani Zainab. Gabrani
Gabrani
Zainab, are you
Zainab.
reading? I guess she is present, right?
Yes, she is present.
So Gabrani Zainab, will you read this?
Yes, ma'am. Common
Just
multi
read this list.
common multiples. Multiples of 4 is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Common multiple of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, and 36.
So you can see both the list. This is multiples of 4 and this is multiples of 6. In this first list, which is multiples of 4, you can see 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. And how you got this number when you multiply 4 with which number? So you got 4. How you got 4? Who will say? Exactly. 4 ones are 4, right? When you multiply 4 with 1, you got 4.
Yeah.
Then how you got 8?
4 to
You
8.
multiply 4 to 8.
Four
Yes. When you
twos are eight.
multiply 4 with 2, exactly. So you already know how to find the multiples, how to make a list.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
so that is clear, I hope. So let me take a small test of that so that I can say now this concept is clear. Then we will learn about common multiples. Are you ready for test?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So only first 5 multiples you have to write of following numbers. पहले 5 of 7 and of 12. ये दो नंबर के 5
मैंने
5 मल्टीपल पहले के 5. बोलो.
लिखने का है
हाँ, you have to give the test.
मैम कैसे
In the rough book, simple. See, if you know how to write the multiples, how to find, Then only you can learn about common multiples. And after you finish, please inform me with your name. And it's very easy.
Ma'am, my work is done, and but Jahaz Fatima is written that, ma'am, I am joined now only, so I don't know how to find multipliers.
Okay. So whoever has that doubt, you can watch this video again afterward, and again you can give the test that time. Whenever you will watch this video, no, after it uploads, you can watch it, and then at the time you can give the test.
We have to show you test now.
Wait, I'm just giving 1 or 2 minutes. Okay.
My work is done.
Okay. So let's solve.
My work is done.
Okay. So you all can say together multiples of 7. Say together.
7, 40,
Yes.
21, 28, and 35.
Exactly. Now these also you can say together.
12,
12 twos are
24,
24,
then
36,
then
48,
then
60,
then
Ma'am, 48.
60.
very good. So whose answers are right? Now show
Ma'am,
me.
my
My
answer is
answer is
Now
right.
show me.
Saima Hasmani.
right, Monday.
Ma'am, my answer is
Answer
right.
is
my answer is right.
Tanisha.
So all of you together turn on the camera. एक साथ turn on and just show me together.